some are coming out of her skin. Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna fall off. Put him on there.
Hi.
Good job. Put him on better.
Put it on there.
Yeah.
Put it on there,
Wait for
little
the
fella.
camera.
Yeah.
Say hi. Say cheese. Cheese.
Hey, you're breaking my neck.
Say help me, please.
What's that? What's that?
Is that a puppet?
He knows that.
What is that? What is it?
He's gonna be a pro.
What is that, boy? Is that a puppy?
Hi.
Is that a puppy? Can you say hi? Hi,
Put it
Uncle
on your
Big.
It's so crazy how quick he learned to put it on his finger, and he goes,
Hi. Hi.
"Hi,
Hey.
hey."
You say hi,
Say
Larry?
hi. Say hi.
Say hi to Uncle Dan.
Unky D.
Hunky D.
He's like, "I'm not performing tricks for you guys. Come on, I'll do it with him."
He's tired, so we're gonna.
Yes,
I mesmerize him. I can mesmerize him.
Unky
Yeah, he could be doing something.
Hunky J, Hunky. Yeah.
T.
He's gonna say that.
He's
Also, he's still tired.
Hi.
You probably have to wake him up.
Get him a treat. Do the trick, Lyric.